What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a really cool technique to tame your low end without altering the phase of your kick and bass, because you've been working really hard to make that work and it's sounding great, but when you compare to your reference tracks it's a little bit maybe too boomy, or you will like to lower the subs without altering the attack and the transient from your kick and bass. So normally what you will do is just throw your favorite EQ, whatever that is, and then try to tame it. I'm not using a high pass filter because it introduces even more artifacts and stuff. So anyways, let's go to the trick. Duplicate your kick, go to envelope, and then set the attack to something like this. Let's listen. That seems about right. Okay. Now, here's the trick. You lower the volume all the way down and you invert the phase. So now, if we listen to the original kick, while we are raising the volume of the inverted kick with no attack, okay? And you control the low end without altering the phase. There you go guys, hope you like it and I see you next week. Ciao!